The history of space exploration is a captivating tale of human ambition, innovation, and discovery. It's a story that stretches back thousands of years, from the ancient Greeks and their fascination with the stars to the first rocket launches of the 20th century. One of the most significant chapters in this history is the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War. This rivalry led to some of the most groundbreaking achievements in space exploration, including the first human spaceflight by Yuri Gagarin in 1961 and the first moon landing by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969. But space exploration didn't stop there. Since then, we've sent numerous spacecraft to explore our solar system, including the Voyager probes that have journeyed beyond the boundaries of our solar system and the Mars rovers that have uncovered evidence of past water on the red planet. In recent years, private companies have also become major players in the space industry, with SpaceX launching reusable rockets and sending astronauts to the International Space Station, and Blue Origin working on developing reusable launch systems and lunar landers. The history of space exploration is not just a story of technological advancements, but also one of scientific discovery and human perseverance. It has shown us the wonders of the universe and challenged us to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly discovering new insights into the nature of our universe and our place in it. The history of space exploration is an ongoing journey that will continue to inspire and captivate people for generations to come. One of the fascinating aspects of the history of space exploration is the way in which it has brought people from different countries and cultures together. The International Space Station, for example, has been a joint effort between the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, with astronauts from around the world working together in space. Another interesting theme in the history of space exploration is the way in which it has inspired creativity and imagination in popular culture. From movies like 2001, A Space Odyssey to TV shows like Star Trek and The Expanse, space exploration has been a source of inspiration for science fiction writers and filmmakers for decades. But beyond the entertainment value, space exploration has also led to important scientific discoveries that have improved our understanding of the universe and benefited life on Earth. For example, the Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of galaxies and nebulae, while also providing crucial data on the expansion rate of the universe and the properties of dark matter and dark energy. As we look to the future of space exploration, there are many exciting possibilities on the horizon. NASA is planning to send humans back to the Moon as part of its Artemis program, with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. Private companies are also working on developing technologies that could enable missions to Mars and beyond. The history of space exploration is a story of human curiosity and exploration that continues to unfold. As we push the boundaries of what is possible, we are opening up new frontiers of discovery and paving the way for future generations to explore and understand the wonders of the universe. One interesting aspect of the history of space exploration is the challenges that scientists and engineers have had to overcome in order to make it possible. From developing rockets that could break through the Earth's atmosphere to designing spacesuits that could protect astronauts in the vacuum of space, the history of space exploration is full of examples of human ingenuity and innovation. Another fascinating aspect of space exploration is the way in which it has pushed the boundaries of what is possible for human beings. Astronauts who have traveled to space have reported feeling a profound sense of awe and wonder at the sight of the Earth from above, and many have described a spiritual connection to the cosmos. In addition to its scientific and technological advancements, space exploration has also had important geopolitical implications. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War was not just about scientific achievement, but also about asserting dominance in the global arena. Today, space exploration is still a symbol of national pride for many countries, and is often seen as a way to demonstrate technological superiority and leadership on the world stage. Looking to the future, space exploration offers many exciting possibilities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we may discover new forms of life or evidence of past or present habitable environments. We may also develop new technologies that could transform life on Earth, such as new sources of clean energy or advanced medical treatments. The history of space exploration is a story of human curiosity, ambition, and perseverance in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. It is a testament to our innate desire to explore and understand the world around us, and to push the boundaries of what is possible for ourselves and for future generations. One fascinating chapter in the history of space exploration is the development of the International Space Station, ISS, a joint project between NASA, the Russian Space Agency, and several other international partners. The ISS has been continuously occupied by astronauts and cosmonauts since November 2000, and has served as a platform for scientific research in fields such as astronomy, physics, and biology. Another interesting aspect of space exploration is the way in which it has inspired popular culture. From movies like Star Wars and Interstellar to TV shows like Star Trek and The Expanse, space exploration has captured the imagination of people around the world and has helped to fuel our collective fascination with the mysteries of the cosmos. Space exploration has also led to important technological advancements that have had practical applications here on Earth. For example, many of the technologies used in space exploration have been adapted for use in fields like medicine, communications, and transportation. The development of GPS, for instance, was initially driven by the need for accurate navigation in space, but has since become an indispensable tool for everything from driving directions to emergency response. Looking to the future, space exploration holds great promise for advancing our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Whether we are searching for signs of extraterrestrial life or developing new technologies to explore the cosmos more efficiently, space exploration represents a frontier of human discovery that is as vast and exciting as it is mysterious and challenging.